Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Tonight, chicken cacciatore. We got Purdue chicken thighs, bone-in, of course. We got some baby bella mushrooms, fresh garden basil, oregano, cayenne peppers. And tonight, we're going to serve it with a Monterrato dolcetto. Okay, tonight's Soffritto, we have julienne red onions, julienne golden beets, and then, of course, grated celery. All right, olive oil, good olive oil, and butter, good butter, unsalted, of course. All right, in goes the Soffritto. I'm going to stir that up a bit, let it melt down for a little while. Everything's going to be al dente, of course. And then, as you can see, it's nice and moist. We're going to throw in the baby bella mushrooms, cut in half, of course. Keep them big. You don't want mushrooms to, completely melt. All right, now for the sauce, the ragu. Add your old vine red Zinfandel, and then your tomato sauce, which isn't a sauce actually. It's just whole San Marzano tomatoes. 3 cans worth. Look at that. Very nice ragu. Okay, and let it bubble down a little. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, that is a perfect ragu. Okay, now we got the chicken going. We're going to be browning both sides. It's about 5 minutes to a side, basically. Then we're going to flip those over. Maybe cook them for another 5 minutes and... Look at that. Absolutely wonderful, perfect. Okay, you can hear it bubbling. And then, of course, we have our sauce over here. Very nice. Okay, let's... While our cacciatore is simmering up, we got time for rice. You know how that is. Rinse, 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 rinse. Measure it up, put it on, and of course, as usual, perfect rice every time. All right, time to plate up my food. You know how I like it. Spinach, olive oil, vinegar, salt, pepper, garlic, feta cheese. Finish it off with some red bell peppers. Time to plate up. Rice. And then pull out your ragu. Still bubbling. Man, does that smell good. And then, of course, the chicken. And then garlic, basil, oregano, cayenne peppers from the garden. Man, oh man, oh man. I wish I could get the smell on this TV. Anywho, there you have it. Chicken cacciatore with rice. Invite your friends. Do cartwheels. Enjoy life. All right. Thanks for watching. See you next time.